Hey guys, Silva here, and welcome all to my real review of Buried Profits AI by the one and only the Papa, Demetris, right? This product is going live tomorrow on the 27th of March at 11 AM New York time. And as always, you'll find my written review with all of the details, the funnel details, the prices, the features, benefits, and all of that, plus 4 of my custom-made bonuses, which I have created after I've checked out the product inside out. And I figured out what would complement this product beautifully, and especially if you want to go the other route, not the paid one. I'll explain what that means. If you want to sort of do it for free, really, with very affordable hosting, then yeah, stick with me, check out my bonuses and all of that. But, I'll explain more in detail what it is that I am actually talking about. Right, let's get to it. This is my written review. Again, check it out. It is in the description down below. This is Demetris. High quality vendor. I don't think I have to tell you. He's very successful. He's well known for his no BS approach, his thorough, comprehensive, step-by-step, newbie-friendly way of explaining and delivering his training courses. So the front end is very affordable. Normally he launches at a higher price, $17 this time. I mean, he has over-delivered for sure. I'll show you all the videos you will have. Open them up so you will see exactly what it looks like, what kind of videos, what kind of content. But yeah, guys, Buried Profits has got to do with making money with getting the right expired domains from expireddomains.net, right, mainly. And this is about finding gold. That's what Demetris calls, the gold. If you find the right kind of domain, the bonkers ways of making money with it. If you really find the one, okay? And he leads you through the process of how to detect the ones that have amazing potential for you to make money with them. There is already inbuilt traffic, so, people might have forgotten to renew the domains, right? Abandon them, even though they've had a lot of traffic coming to the site. So for various reasons, these domains are expired. And, if you get the right one with backlinks, with still traffic coming to them, you will find your gold. But, I'll elaborate on that. So I just want to let you know also that, there will be a few upsells. So you have them all listed, but there is the VIP bundle alternative. So alternative as opposed to getting all of the domains one by one, because it saves you money. So the price of the bundle, so access to all of the upsells, is $197. So guys, go through the funnel and see what works for you best. Now, here are my custom-made bonuses. It took me some time to come up with the right stuff that would really give you a leg up. Especially this one, this site setup system, no base for 44 required. So what does that tell you? That Demetris is working with base 44. Yes, it's amazing. It's an amazing platform for creating apps, websites, membership sites. It's crazy what you can do. You're just chatting with it and it's just building the website for you. But of course, it comes with a monthly cost. If you already have an account, cool. It's like you can totally follow the training, okay? So here is the overview and the proof, the first video. So you can follow the training, no problem, okay? The subscription you will want, and yes, hello, welcome to my real review. I'm not gonna skip the spicy details that, maybe some affiliates may want to skip. I would rather you knew what you signing yourself up for. It's an amazing course, but it comes with cost. But at the same time, let's not be surprised. Let's not be tight-fisted. If you want to make money, you have to be business savvy. You have to have a business mindset, and you have to be prepared to invest. That comes with, without saying, I shall hope. And, it's part of any business, but making money online is way more cheaper, requires way less investment upfront than making money offline. So, let's not be surprised. But again, if you want to go the free route, like completely using WordPress and very cheap hosting, my bonus number 1 of mine will help you out big time. And there are more bonuses that you can check out, even the affiliate page conversion blueprint. So just to make sure that your site will convert, right? So beautiful bonuses, very newbie friendly, straight to the point, no fluff, more like, I would say, expanded checklist, something like that, okay? But the first bonus is more thorough, it's way more comprehensive. Anyhow, enough about my bonuses. So guys, yes, the idea, the concept behind this training course is such that you will go to expireddomains.net, you will find the right expired domains to purchase. You're gonna get them. So Demetris leads you through the process, which ones to skip and what ones to get, okay, to invest into, because they may turn out to be your gold. And then what I like most is that he shows you various ways of making money with it, as I have already mentioned. So the first one, and he actually talks about it in his overview and his sort of case study, is by parking that expired domain for sale, okay, on a platform called, wait for that, we'll check it out in the next module. So the first module was about overview. So I'll reveal the platform in a sec. So here he goes through in module number, through all of the domains. You see he's looking at the metrics. He explains a lot, but at the same time he says do not overthink it. And again, one of my bonuses will also be like, this is the most important metrics you need to be paying attention to, because if you want to analyze every single of the expired domains, you will never purchase one. So, it's important to make the decision, okay? And as you can see, some of the modules have 1, others would have 2 or even 3 videos, okay? And there's a lot of written content, like checklists, a lot of extra information, okay? So you can go back to it, like the pros and cons, the cost that, this method requires as well, all of the metrics to pay attention to, the green and red flags. So it's pretty cool how he structured it all. You see, these are the metrics to pay attention to. And let's go to the next section, because I believe in the next section he actually talks about the platform where you can park your domain. And yes, that's the one. As you can see, we have 2 videos here, and this site is called Seedo. So this is your first way of, monetizing your expired domain. So if you want to sell it, but you don't have to, you can park it, so sort of list it. As you can see, you have prompts that you will need for your listings. Yeah, it's all you need. This training course, this product comes with tools as well. And so yeah, going back to the next section, let me show you. So I'll just walk you through the whole content of the training course so you will know exactly what it is that, you're getting here. So rebuilding your found gold. And this is where he uses this platform called Base 44. Now, again, my bonus number 1, guys, offers an alternative. You can rebuild these websites using WordPress. WordPress is free. You can get cheap hosting. Now, the huge benefit of Base 44 is very newbie friendly. If you follow what Demetris shows you here, he's got a big smile here, then you will be golden, okay? Because he walks you through the whole process. You just talk to this bot, to this platform, right? And builds the website for you. It does all that is required for the website to go live. It comes with the hosting, but if you want to connect it to your own custom domain, to that domain, and that's what you want really, right? Because you want to make use of that expired domain that comes with the inbuilt traffic. And I forgot to mention that he also does fantastic research. We'll probably see that in the following videos, where he does research using Pinterest and AI on what's trending. So you want to pick an expired domain within a niche that's trending, okay? Because, you know, there's gonna be traffic coming to your website this way. So yeah, base44, if you want to connect it to your own domain, you will need the $44 a month plan. Again, you can use this platform, base44. It's a fantastic platform. I'm not gonna say it's like, you know, not worth it. It's amazing, but, you know, be prepared to invest. Okay, do not be surprised. That's why I'm telling you honestly what comes with the implementation of this method. Again, if you want to do it for free, you can follow my bonus number 1, and you can do exactly the same. You can achieve the same result. I would say to some extent even better. I think like using the WordPress website is still better for SEO than having the website built entirely by AI. I might be wrong, but my instinct tells me that, you know, it's still better to use the WordPress, but, you know, both work. So it depends which route you want to take. And as you can see, he's walking you through the platform base44, the prompts you will need to rebuild the website, okay, using again base44, a lot of prompts. So yeah, very thorough training step by step. And let's move on to the next video, which is about finding your links to become an affiliate. And actually he gives you an example of Amazon. So you can start with Amazon, very easy, or ClickBank, very easy too. All sorts of niches, right? And you can become an affiliate for whatever niche and whatever product, and you get automatically approved. That's the beauty of Amazon and ClickBank. So if you don't have a history of sales on Warrior Plus or JVZoo and you struggle to get approved, you may want to start, you know, just follow exactly what Demetris is showing you here. And yeah, stick to Amazon for now, or ClickBank is fantastic too, right? You just generate your hop link and voila. That's your affiliate link basically from ClickBank. So yeah, and then he will show you how to integrate your links with base44. And yeah, your website, again, tons of prompts that you will need. And again, the website will be it will be done for you within a matter of seconds, maybe sometimes minutes, but you know, it's very fast with base44. And you know, there will be images, which will be inserted with your affiliate links, call to action lines, call to action buttons, all of that. So it's pretty cool. Now, module number 6, finalizing your foundation. So yeah, it's really like it's proper stuff, because he also shows you how to index your website with Google Console. That's very important. So Google actually recognizes your website. And then he uses this platform Ahrefs as well to detect the issues that the expired domain may have. Okay. And then he would generate, even with the free account of Ahrefs. I'm not sure if I pronounce it the right way, if I say it the right way. But anyhow, even with the free account, you will get the metrics, you will get what issues there are with your website and what needs to be fixed. You will get the reports. There's a way around it to get them like manually, yeah? But you can download them and you can then feed them into base44 and just say to it, fix these issues. So you know, you will be cleaning up the website. So it's SEO friendly, ranks well, and all of that. So here's like 3 videos. Demetris is going for it. I'm telling you. You see, he's showing you how to improve website health score. So again, a lot of content underneath the videos. And then next module is module number 7. It's called Site Audit Setup. Again, he will do more work when it comes to cleaning up the website using Google Console and Ahrefs. Next section, setting up your social traffic source, because he will set up these sites in such a way. You know, this particular site he's creating about self-tanning lotion, because summer is coming. This is what is trendy. He found out. He shows you how to find the trendy stuff on Pinterest and using AI as well. And again, he will use base44 to include this traffic source, namely Pinterest, into the website, because it will have Pinterest-friendly images inserted into the articles, into the website, you know. And yeah, he will even walk you through how to set up a professional Pinterest account. Here are prompts that you can use to help you set up your account, a professional, like a business Pinterest account as well. And module number 4, passive income with Google AdSense. There's another way of monetizing it. Okay. So trying to sell your expired domain on Sedo, then with affiliate offers. Then there's another one with Pinterest, right, as your inbuilt traffic source, sort of, connected to the website. Then passive, maybe I shouldn't be mentioning the Pinterest because that's not really like an additional way of monetizing it. But I mean, at the same time, it is really, right? And then module 4, passive income with Google AdSense. So you can have ads displayed on your website as well. He shows you how to do that. Okay. And then there will be a 5th way of making money with it. So you apply here. And he shows you the whole process, how to apply for Google AdSense. You know, if your website is all good, healthy, cleaned up, indexed in, Google Console, then by all means, you can apply for the Google AdSense. And then module number 10, flipping for gold. This is where he made some good money, actually. So he will share his testimonial here as his income proofs as well, how he sold on a platform called Flippa, okay, where you can sell your website. So you can very well, build these websites very fast, use the expired domains with the inbuilt traffic. So trendy stuff, right? Build them super fast using base 44. Again, yes, it is monthly cost, but it may be well worth it. It is quite a smart investment, if you ask me. And then, yes, sell those websites. A lot of people want done for them websites, okay? So, and again, you have the whole process of listing your website on Flippa and the prompts needed to create like optimized description and an optimized listing of your website on Flippa, okay? So that would be it. And the next section would be just conclusion and upgrades. And then in the last section, Demetris also gives you some bonuses. Okay, you just click here to check out the bonuses. They're listed here, but they're also listed on the sales page. So if you go through my written review, click buy now, you will be redirected to the sales page. Okay, so you have all of the bonuses listed. You may also find my testimonial on it. I did share it with Demetris. I don't know if he has put it on the sales page. Maybe yes, maybe not yet. Maybe he will. I'm not sure. But yeah, it's launching in 21 hours. So I'm shooting this review early. So when it goes live, you can pick it up via my written review. You're also gonna get my bonuses and my gratitude as always, guys. If you get it from me, you support my channel, you support my work, you support my real thorough reviews. If you want me to keep going, please support me. I would really appreciate that. It means a lot to me. Okay, guys, love you and leave you. Kisses from London. The spring is on its way, even though it's still so cold. But hey ho, the days are getting longer. Guys, love you and leave you. Ciao. See you very soon. Bye.